20. Depending on the candle, we could get a green or red. Don't know yet. I can't predict the future. So
It's Wednesday, huh?
it is free day.
720s might be a little expensive, but this early I'm gonna keep it with the 720s, and then I'm with you. I might switch to 710s if I have to.
Just depends on the volume. So. Unless Tesla starts acting up here, that is what I'm going to be primarily focused on.
You like it at 444, 445?
445 for sure. I think that was the high yesterday that it made. Yeah, I'm gonna stick with that.
444 is the high. Can we just relax QQQ for about 2 minutes?
Yo, Atta.
Noah.
Norstein.
Yes,
Norbert.
yes, Norbert.
How you doing? Oh, never mind. We're having Tesla ready at the open.
Yes,
Never mind.
exactly what I was about to say, guys. You guys know the deal.
All right. After that candle, yeah, we're gonna have that ready.
Foul face?
Guys, there's gonna be a whole bunch of what is there gonna be a whole bunch of today?
Guys, I could care less what Meta does now.
Millie said ass shaking. Great fucking answer.
I like that, Millie. Keep that same energy.
Yup. Tesla's extremely strong. I would have expected this to be down a lot more right now, but now we're green. Oh wait, actually we're not green.
No, we're still still $1 off, but regardless though.
Yo, this nigga Rafiki keeps throwing up, bro.
Benji, what do you gotta say to him? Bet probably.
I don't want to hear nothing from White Chocolate. What do you have to tell me?
Stick him to the vet. That's your
Yeah,
only.
I do take him to the vet, first of all.
You like this at 444 or 445, Nor?
445 gives me some room to think about it. Too early for this shit. Yo, how much time I got left? I'm trying to up the stream.
35.
35 seconds.
All right, yo, give me like a 15-second countdown if we get there.
All right.
Start shaking, bro.
What?
I'd say just get a slow feeder.
You need to start slow feeding. You see your weight?
I'm like 162, bro.
Don't listen to him, Benji.
15 seconds, Nor.
Whoa.
10 seconds now.
I'm in there. We're good. Go live. I'm here. Yo, what contracts for Tesla?
I'm doing 450s.
450s? I don't think so.
I have the 460s.
Yeah, I'm looking at 460s. We've already broke. I'm not taking that.
I did take a position myself. So
you could miss me with that shit today.
Meta happened also.
I sold right there for break even, so I was not gonna mess with that Tesla candle. I can always just take the retest. Meta happened immediately. Yeah, it's not.
It was a decent. If you played 445, anybody played 445, it was valid. Yo, Nvidia though.
We have time for that?
Yeah, we got time. We could even stay on Tesla if we wanted to.
Where you like Nvidia at?
Probably yesterday's high.
Gotcha.
Maybe at 187. Depends.
Plenty of time.
Nvidia
I'm surprised you didn't like this other stock, Frankie.
Oracle?
No.
Oh.
Yo, Tesla, bro. The disrespect is insane.
The only other stocks I have on my watches are Oracle and Coin. Unless there's something else.
I actually wrote down Coin as well myself.
Unless I'm missing something that I'm even surprised about.
Just your father, Frankie.
I can't say that. Never mind.
Yeah, Nvidia's dollars.
got time here now to see what's gonna react here. Apple's pushing as well. I'm
Can-
still not interested until we hold 257.
Apple. Ooh, wow, that is shaking it, huh? Open at 255 by the time we get up there. I'm gonna wait on Apple because we
Yeah.
broke 257 already by 60 cents that day. I could see why you guys are still interested at 257. I think for me, I'm gonna just wait for that hold that
No.
George mentioned last week above 257, and then we can play the continuation from there. I don't think I would play the level alone though, personally.
Mhm.
Yo, Roz said, who's still holding 460 Tesla gold?
Nope.
Hopefully he's just asking.
Okay,
Frank,
Marcus coming back. I mean, Marcus actually pushing here.
Tesla's
Meta's still weak.
Oh, I'm so dumb. I had NQ on the 5 minute. I'm like, it's been pushing.
Amazon. What's with Amazon?
George, you want to be interested on meta if it bear flags here, or you just don't? You just done with it. It's cool.
No,
I'm just wondering
I don't know yet.
because
I
it
gotta
is
see.
still holding down. That's why I'm asking.
Yeah, maybe.
If
We give this a
I
couple
were to
minutes.
play meta, I would look at the 710s. I would just look for the quick bear flag.
Yeah.
Should just be a quick touch it play for me. So
Your alert at.
I was thinking 717.30.
7:17:30.
I didn't
Yeah.
know we had Frenchie in the room.
All right, let's see. Market's still pushing here. As long as this holds below 721, or at least opening price, I'm with it.
I honestly really like 718, but I think a break and hold below there would be perfect before that bear flag. So
Yeah.
I'm playing it the safer way.
Someone said, what stock we on right now? But he didn't put the K after the C. Yep. He's got to be located in New York. Is it free day? Yeah, sadly.
Unfortunately.
We got all the fucking herbs here today with us today. Leasing a Tesla.
Unfortunately. There goes meta. Oh my god. Ooh, that's a good bear flag right there. See?
That's nice.
Market's strong. Meta was showing weakness. It doesn't get much simpler than that. I mean, honestly.
Chris said 1K day. I would switch over back to Tesla, guys. If you guys are done with that.
I
I'm
got half sold.
I'm about to sell here soon myself. So
I think we still get 715 here. Just market is pushing though. Now it's I guess it's bigger level here. Might cut it here pretty quick. I did
I
sell
was
half.
gonna use 5 flat on the contract as my stop. Yeah, there we go.
Yeah, I'll get out there.
I was in that super light just because it's meta. So I was like, you know what? I'll hold them. What was my fill? I got filled at 525.
Guys, I'm looking at 470 calls on Tesla. Getting going here. Obviously the
70?
market.
470s?
Yeah. You could do 460s.
Okay.
I see, if I'm not mistaken, hold on. You said what?
Nothing.
Yeah, 470s have 3 times the volume of 460s. That's why I'm doing that. I'm probably still gonna play for. Okay. I'm in. I think this is gonna head over here with faster without the market. Obviously, I'm aiming for high of well, not high, high of morning, which was 446 and some change.
It was 446.14.
Then you got to make a decision. Do you sell on the high of the morning if we get there, or do you look for more there? So I'm gonna base it off how we break. If you like how much you get paid, look how much we're up here, guys. I'm up 5 grand. Oh my god. Oh my god.
It's a stupid amount how much we're up. I sold right
Oh,
there.
this shit not even refreshing.
I sold right there. Holy shit.
Yeah. Nice, guys. Good trade to start off the morning.
2 bangers? Back to back?
Still going.
I'm still holding half here, Nor. What are you thinking?
I haven't sold shit. I actually just bought more. Nice. Oh my god. Alright guys, I'm gonna focus on selling some on the break here. Contracts for me actually slowed down, but let's see. Market's falling and Tesla's holding up. I have no reason to sell till 448. For you guys are not good. So focus on trying to get out of this. My contracts are stuck.
You're not alone. The 450s are moving really slow as well now.
I
After
don't know
I
what
got
the
out.
fuck this is.
Oh, they're moving now. Never mind.
I mean, now they just started. Oh my god, 448 coming in hot. Guys, getting ready to sell half here on the next high. Half sold.
Out!
Nice. 448 is the trend. Can you send them the 15-minute trend?
Yeah.
I got you.
Please.
I can do it. I can
Yeah,
do it. Yeah.
Thank you, thank you, thank you.
I got you.
All right, guys, I've sold half. I'm looking to sell the other half here soon. I'm up 11 grand.
Yo.
Set it right there, guys. You can see the trend that North's talking about. It's touching it right now.
Yeah.
Dinero, fuck that stock. We just spanked Tesla, bro. Anyways.
Which one? The video?
Apple.
Did it actually break out? Wow.
Yeah, it went actually crazy.
Stupid.
Yo, Tesla this is a 450 day, it looks like.
I think so, yeah. I'm with it.
Might be. I'm down to scalp 450.
Yo.
Maybe into that high mid yesterday or whatever
yeah.
day that was. Friday?
Oh,
Monday.
Up 449.
451's the
What's
high.
it?
Yo, what do you think? I'm still in with the half, guys.
If you're thinking about 450, we're here. I don't know if you want to sell another. Nah, I don't know, bro. This is a lot of momentum here.
George, we don't tell another
I
man
am gonna
when to
scalp
sell.
if it gives me a chance.
You hear me, George?
Hold back.
We don't tell another man when to sell.
I know, bro. That's why I said I don't know. I know that I'm a.
Yo,
I am
so
gonna-
yo, actually, right there, the contracts were showing a different wave there, because at the beginning they weren't pushing, and now they're kind of holding above that 360. So let's see what happens here. Whoa. All right.
The market is still red too, by the way. It hasn't. It's
Yeah.
not green.
Down.
Tesla's the only one that's green here now.
It is green
officially.
right now, but as far as what it closed at, it is still red.
Yeah. Tesla?
Huh?
No.
I'm talking about NQ.
Oh yeah. I meant Tesla. Tesla's actually green.
Oh yeah. For sure.
It needs to bounce off of here, 446. We don't want this much lower here.
Yo, this would be hilarious if they don't break 450 today, because they have everything. Tesla has everything in its favor today. So yeah, the next trade on Tesla would be around the high, basically. If we're gonna play 450, we're gonna play it around 449.60. Obviously, we'll signal that.
Okay, this is a good bounce here. This is a good bounce.
And market's having a red candle.
Yeah, dude, I'm not sure why it slowed down there with the contract. Especially far out the money contracts, I can understand, but the 450s, I'm surprised those slowed down. And
Those got stuck too.
yeah, when it was stuck at around that 447 level and it kept grinding slowly, they just or not moving how they were moving at around 446. Now, granted, you know, it took out a high. The premium flip happened at 445, but regardless of that, I mean, the stock's just pushing straight up like that when it's still volatile. Like the contract
Look,
should
Nor.
still be moving.
What happened?
Even on a 40-cent break on over that, I only sold for 4 cents higher on my second sale.
Yeah, I got 370 on the sell. I put a limit out and I got filled. Where did you get filled at?
I got 339 buy. Oh no, I'm lying. I got a 297 buy.
Yeah, I got three. Well, actually, I don't know if I was late, but I got a 315 buy.
297 buy. But what I'm saying is from my first sale and my second sale, I only got a 4 cent difference on the contracts. That's when they were getting stuck, and even after that break of like 45 cents.
Yeah. I mean, they ended up eventually making a really nice move. So from 315, I got filled to 380 a contract. That's more than enough. That's 60. Yeah, that's 20%. 20% on Tesla for that play from entry to peak, where I ended up selling half. Probably should have sold everything.
That was a sick play, bro. Hopefully everybody makes some money. Y'all put that in the profits chat.
No,
Yeah,
you
throw that in the profits chat.
Throw that shit in there. Technically, we're done early, bro.
I'm good, Moses. That's what I was gonna respond to George. Are we though? I mean, Tesla's still realistically like possible.
Nah,
No. For the herbs, bro. The herbs should be done.
Oh, yo, no, 100%, yeah.
No. If you're fucking,
If you're looking for more, you're just greedy.
Yeah, let me get
no.
W's in the chat before we get another Tesla trade. But you guys gotta break the chat though until Discord goes down. W's great. Nah, that's not enough. Not enough ass shaking in here.
I can call up
W's.
Kyle.
W's. Break the chat.
All right, as far as setups go, the only ones I have left are obviously Tesla at 450 and then that 451 high. Meta, I still like that if we come back down to 715 because that was a clean trade we had. I was just super light, so I was just holding.
Yeah, I didn't make much on that either.
Yeah, I was up. Let's see. I got filled at 525. The contracts hit 6 on that trade.
Tesla.
But I was in super light though, like I said, so I was just being greedy because
I only made 530 on that.
I lost 900 on that. So.
Oh, you didn't make you sold for a loss there?
Yeah, like I was in super light. I didn't get to get in with the position that I wanted.
Oh.
Yo, Tesla.
I'm watching. Where would you look to
449.
more?
Oh, how do you know I'm still in?
Come
I
on,
mean,
I'm not fucking with the curves chat today, so we're not even gonna talk about that. 449.50 is a separate trade on Tesla.
I'm personally
Man, I was
waiting
thinking
for.
449 if I get the right candle.
I'm personally waiting for 70 cents.
Actually, you know what? No, yes, it's Herb Day. I'm sorry, 70 cents with.
Bro, the chat, the Discord is so trash, bro. It's still loading messages. Alright, we just hit that fucking trend again.
Which contract am I gonna trade on Tesla? I'll do the 460s on this one. 450s are too expensive.
Oh shit!
All right, bro, come on.
Bro, my back. Pause.
Nah, but you don't gotta make that noise though.
Oh.
Frankie, I'm not gonna lie. I'm very confident in my sexuality. I saw your Starbucks drink this morning, and I'm questioning yours. So, chill out.
Oh man, hey.
Drink a black fucking coffee in the morning, bro.
Yeah, that's a man.
What's wrong with the pumpkin cream cold brew?
No,
I haven't had any
That
pumpkin
is fucking
flavoring
insane.
this whole
I'm with
this
Nor
whole
on this
season yet.
If I was to order that at Starbucks, I would whisper it through the window.
Hey, my
nobody
girl
hears.
orders that shit, bro. I'm not wearing that shit.
Yo, I'm just saying, you guys were the ones who were hooked on peak drinks. All right.
Who is y'all?
Yeah, I don't know
You
what
and
the
Nor.
fuck you talking about. Wait, what
Nah,
were we doing?
I always got cold brew black.
Nigga. Oh, the pink drinks.
Yeah, I don't want to hear it, Nor.
I was there, but I wasn't telling them, can I get 3 pumps of whatever the fuck you're telling them to put 3 pumps of. I just say pink drink. Throw me a little strawberry in there. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie. I think I might just sell this shit and get back in when we signal. Yeah, I think that's what I'm gonna do.
It's a green here.
That shit hurt me.
I think that'll be the safest, just because I feel like market is in a spot where it wants to start pulling back.
Yeah, QQQ hasn't been the best place for a breakout on the bigger time frame here for Tesla, but if it wasn't for QQQ and this whole stupid market action, I think we would have been at like 460 on Tesla by Wednesday. Contracts extremely nicer versus before, because these 470 calls are at 360 and the peak, you have to remember, we're at 380 and we're $2 away on the stock. So at that point, if Tesla were to get there, you're looking at over $4 a contract. So they've figured out themselves here.
Yeah, Makai.
Paying $8 for a coffee and stuff. You're just broke. I don't know what to tell you. Why would I inconvenience myself and make a coffee in the morning? Hey,
De
read out
Niro,
that
Yeah, bro.
I have mine at 30 cents right now, but I think that's fine too, honestly.
Market's starting to die, bro.
Yes,
Nah,
bro.
yeah, this is. I don't even know how
Holding.
it's alive.
But I was gonna say, yeah, Tesla is holding up as of now.
I want to switch so bad to Meta because I think that'll be a clean break.
This is.
I mean,
where my
I'm on it right now because I don't think we'll hit Tesla here.
Let me know if Tesla starts getting close north.
Nor.
Noah.
Worstein, bro. I'm fucking Jewish. Alright, yo, QQQ. What the fuck is this? See, this is why. This is where I start getting biased on Tesla.
Oh, okay.
What, you call it meta?
I saw
Yeah,
right there.
clean.
Noah thought, yeah, that was clean.
Made back the L. Clean break with the market.
But you took an L on meta earlier?
Yeah. Like I said, I was in super light, so I was just being greedy because I was like, it's,
Oh.
I was pulling a U, pretty much.
Yo, I'm not gonna lie. This is crazy. Market's crashing. Tesla's holding up.
Contracts did okay there on the 710s. But then again, I sold right away.
Yeah, I did
Still
too.
going.
These are at 660 now. It is what it is.
QQQ from 599 to 596, and
Like-
Tesla's still green.
The gap on Meta's almost done too, guys. So the gap ends at 708.50. So I may just be done with Meta for a bit until we actually develop an actual setup. Don't get me wrong, the bear flags are sick, but
Oh, yo.
most of these are mainly because of the gap we have. Millie, yes, but for my own risk tolerance, I don't want to be the one to find out if it bounces off of there, because the market could have bounced at any moment. So I was just being super safe. I don't think there's anything wrong with that. It just depends what kind of trader you are at that point.
Keeping things light. I've been sized down and I'm still hitting nice numbers here. 1800 for the day. Been going in with 5K positions.
C'est toi, toi, dont je me
I'll be honest, guys. I'm not keeping shit light if we get Tesla. Cause now you're like bringing the craziness here. Look at this. This is exactly what I want to see with Tesla. I don't even know if I can sell if we break 450, but I'm not gonna tell you that. Guys, how about this? I will signal the entry and the stop loss if it were to hit. I am not signaling an exit on Tesla. I don't trust myself today to do that. So y'all sell when comfortable if we get that trade at 449.50.
I was just about to mention that. I mean,
Yeah.
off that original signal, it was stupid. I can't see the other word, but
Yeah.
like if you're holding, if you have a plan, go for it, right? Like Norm. If you're holding just for the hell of it, you're just being greedy and you're a bad trader. So
Yeah. Exactly.
because that was for me on my contracts. Like at the peak there, that was 20%. My contracts were more expensive, so that's why it was only 20%.
You gonna put it?
But
You on demon mode today?
huh? What do you mean by that, Chet?
It's still struggling with that 15-minute trend.
Yeah. Exactly. That's why I'm happy the entry we have to take is way above that. Obviously, it can still wick below. Don't get me wrong. It's 15. It's a 15-minute trend, so the candle can still close below. But I'm happy that the entry would be way higher than what the trend is currently projected at. All right, while I'm focused on Tesla, is there anything else going on? No Nvidia, right? Nvidia, no. Meta did make lows, so I did miss out on that a few times, but nothing like serious where I'm mad that I'm not focused on it.
I think both of those were quote unquote good signals. Weren't signals.
Which?
The two that I said on Meta, where I
Yeah.
told people where I was getting in on. Not a literal signal, but I told you guys my entries and everything. That first one was crazy. I should have sold right there because I was keeping it simple.
Yeah, I
fun.
would have made a little bit more, but I sold half and then sold the other half break even.
I don't know who was here for that late day QQQ trade yesterday, but I wish I was able to hold to 600. That was the final target. Regardless, it paid. That shit was sick yesterday.
They sold you even when you were in the money last time, right? The broker.
Hell yeah. It's even worse when it's in the money because
Yeah.
I think out the money you have a better chance of them not liquidating you.
Because there's a chance of them, if them not going into the money, then they'll
Yeah.
just become worthless.
Exactly. They just care about themselves.
That would have been another good bear flag on Meta, by the way. Like these bear flags
I
are
was
insane.
watching it, bro. But
Yeah,
I'm
I
done
just have
with
I
that
haven't
right
pulled
now.
up here and just looking at it.
That's like a $2 drop there on Meta, no?
Yeah, well, $1.50 right now, but about to be. If it keeps going, yeah. Yeah, these bear flags have been crazy all morning.
Makai, you ready or what?
I set my alerts for everything.
I'm
In
actually.
other words, you ready?
We're gonna need you in a little bit.
Pretty much. I always am. Come on.
Yo,
I
Maki.
barely have to do anything.
Pause.
What?
That's crazy.
I was
bro.
talking about watching the charts.
You've changed, Washington.
I know, but I know what Nora was trying to say.
Nah, y'all are. Oh,
Nah, say it. Nah,
I can't even speak anymore nowadays.
No, you ready for FIFA though?
Yeah.
Yo, honestly, George, I'm surprised he didn't say, bro, I'm an hour ahead of you already.
That's too early.
He usually wakes up at 9. I mean 10.
And
Nah.
I feel like that's,
my
I feel
alarm
like that's a
is
lie, though, because
5
he
minutes
always
before.
says, I've been on FIFA for an hour.
So he could, yeah. Marcus push. What are your alerts? What do you have? Just so I know.
QQQ if it gets above 601.
That's far.
Yeah.
Okay. Yo, Nick, that's funny.
Oh, man, I'm tired. I'm ready.
Y'all gonna play the AMD Breakout 164? You're not a paid member. Well, I talked about it on Saturday in our charting session. I'm not playing that till 165. That is the true top of the range on AMD. I'm
And
cool with
Meta.
165. I won't trade it today, but I'm for sure gonna be watching that if we get close later this week. I guess with the remaining days we have. So. Yo, Apple lost everything, George, that it did. $3 drop since that high. That's crazy. You know, that someone brought up Hood. What was his at the beginning of the year?
Hood didn't do anything today though.
No, I'm saying at the beginning of the year.
Oh, I don't know.
This stock was at $40, bro.
I mean, they had a really good IPO, so
Really good IPO. They hit the nail with the prediction market stuff. Is I mean, it's just they're doing better than the other competitors. Crazy.
Mumu added that too though.
Actually,
IB's adding it too.
IB has had it for
Yeah,
IB added it since the election.
Yeah, there we go. IB might have been one of the first.
It's just less lucrative because
Yep.
it's not a I don't know. Robin Hood's just been like it has that newcomer.
Mumu integrated, I believe, Kalshi or Polymark, one of the two that they made a deal with. Not which one. Now you got a little consolidation. Let me just show you guys the reality of my trading here. So, it has nothing to do with you guys because I've signaled. But I went from up 12,000 today to pretty much break even. But come on. It is what it is. Yesterday was a 40 grand day, so Okay.
Being chilling.
Yeah, rent is due today, Ekin. So if you'd like to help out, I'd appreciate it, brother. Real, real, real.
Might be. I
When
bet
you're
Dex said
going,
yeah.
when you have a bias in your head and you're going for the big move, sometimes it happens, which I'm not mad about because I knew what the reward would have been, and technically my risk on the day here is just break even. So it's like I'm not mad about anything I did today. I signaled a great trade to you guys, told you guys that you should probably walk away. Most of you guys did. I saw the profits in the profits chat. So unless you were going for the big boy, then you guys did well. You did well, or you had a break even day. Doesn't matter. But... and then my
Guys, I'm not- Go ahead.
no. I was just updating on them.
Guys, I'm not touching MSTR for like the 10th time until like 350 or 360. I hate that stock. Me and that stock have been done. We've been split for a minute now. I will continue to have it that way.
Yeah, there's nothing on there anyways.
Yeah, literally nothing is
Just
levels.
grinding. Like, what are y'all trying to play here?
Like I understand like crypto's like quote unquote hot because the stocks moved, but I mean other than that, there's no real catalyst or at least to me levels behind it. Like coin, I'm not trading that till 350, maybe even 352. I'm not even gonna trade that today at this point. So
What's really nice
See,
is
what's your name? Whoever said that 200%. That, yeah, that's cool. But what I'm saying is like I'm personally not chasing. In my eyes, I don't see anything. Yeah, it can be moving and just rattling. That's one thing that okay is working right now. But in the long run, I've done that where I'm just like, oh yeah, man, this is pushing. I don't know why, but it's pushing and I'm in it and I'm up heavy, right? That's good and all, but how long is that gonna last? How long are you gonna sit there and gamble on some shit like that, you know? So long term, I'm with Frankie on this. And again, hopefully it goes to 1,000% for you. You know what I mean? So I don't wish it to die or nothing, but like
damn, that breakout on coin was crazy.
it
Sorry.
works until it doesn't. Yeah, you know. I was watching 350, but yeah, I'm probably not touching that. I think the only thing left is Tesla for me.
I think, and if Tesla happens, it's gonna be a better trade than what we would have had before.
Oh, word?
I mean, look at it now.
Oh no, I believe you. I was just trying to make it funny. That's what I'm saying, Gennaro. It was a crazy breakout. Just consolidated all morning, and then finally it broke 345 with volume. And $2 break.
I saw someone tag me about something about Nvidia. I can't. I don't want to even look at it because I'm focused on Tesla right now. I didn't see anything on it for the downside for me, unless you're talking about like a new low for the day or something like that, which I don't. I don't play new highs and new lows. Unless there's something else with it, like a consolidation, key level, all that good stuff. You guys know the drill. Yeah, I gotta fix this stream shit later. That thing hasn't been showing me the chat lately. I don't know if anything's going on there.
You're funny, huh? No?
You're what?
You're funny, huh?
About what?
I just saw the Instagram, really. You saying
Instagram?
Yeah, you sent
For, Starbucks.
Oh yeah, yeah. Sent that yesterday.
Yeah, you saw it.
Yo, I just seen that.
You gotta send that to your thing. Your friend. How? Oh, it's only 10:07. Well, what time do you guys want to give this till, or is it worth it just sticking around until this thing slips?
I was just gonna stick
Worth-
around.
It might be worth just hopping on FIFA until this gets closed and have the laptop.
I hate running back and forth, bro. I almost tore a fucking Achilles on my way here the other day. Bro, I couldn't
Like,
walk for the rest of the day.
Like George said, I mean, you can't have your. I mean, I know you can multitask while you're in the trade, so I was gonna say, why don't you just have your laptop next to you with the setup.
Nora's thinking about what to tell you with that one.
I mean, I've seen a multitask before while in a trade with even heavier positions, so it's like.
Nah, I know, but it's just like running here. Like, it's different when I have my laptop and we're on a trip. Like, you know,
Gotcha. Okay.
you just put that shit on my lap.
Mm-hmm.
The laptop, right?
Yes, bro. Yes.
All right. Okay.
Fucking Maki comes back.
Maki does that, and then he slicks stuff, and then I do the stuff with Maki, and then he gets mad at me.
Talking about you can't talk to us no more, huh?
Yeah.
260.
No, the issue is, bro, look, I at
What's-
least
what's
wait
the
half
issue?
an hour.
What's the issue, Maki?
I at least let you guys like wake
Look,
up.
Maki, Blackie, if you're gonna get with this ball, just be prepared.
Oh man.
Bro, I'm trying to afford a Chanel bag today, bro. Can Tesla start moving or what?
And it starts shaking.
It just turned bullish for me.
George, you liking 50 cents or are you still like it at 70? 'Cause I
probably-
still like 70, but
I was thinking 449.30.
is it dependent on the candle or
No,
you
right?
just like it there?
Depending on the
straight up?
candle.
Okay, okay. Yo, that's funny, Ethan. If you know, you know.
What?
That meme you sent.
Yo!
Have you seen that video of the guy in the
that's
plane?
sick, bro.
Oh, okay, alright. I actually gotta focus.
You're on the
now.
460s, Frankie?
Yeah.
Alright.
Guys, I'm not adding, so I can't signal that I'm in, but the entry's right here. Yeah, there it goes. Oh my god, it finally broke. Up 20 grand from break even. That's insane.
That is crazy.
Look at this. You could have scalped that and made some bread there. Yo, contracts did backflips. I just can't say I'm in because I'm not adding and I've already been in, so I obviously can't do shit like that. But anyways, good shit, guys. Good shit.
That-
You could play this man or no?
Red to green.
There it goes. 50. If I see 65 and we don't rip right through, then I'm passing on this. I'm just gonna get out. We're at 55, 60. Okay, there we go. It has to go straight through or I'm out. We just got there.
There you go.
Oh my
There
god.
you
Hey,
go.
I sold half.
Okay.
I sold half.
I sold everything right there.
Yeah. I plan on selling the rest here. I'm not even gonna hold 30K day officially.
Let's go,
Give me
Nor.
the 50 cent level, guys. Once I see 50 on the ask. Oh, there we go. Come out.
Oh, with 9 on the contracts? God.
I'm $60 off of 30K for the day, bro. I played
I'll
the
send it to
same.
you. I got you.
Ah. It was fun though. This wasn't as hard as like other times. Where, like, think so? But did you sell half the first time? That's why. I sold half, so I didn't feel the pullback. The worst that it got to was like negative 2K for the day after I was up 12. All right. Profits in the profits chat. I'm done. We finally
No,
broke on Tesla.
Nor, I got a question. If you're down to answer it.
Talk to me.
So I know you've been really biased on Tesla once it breaks 450.
Yes.
Why was it a 1 hour trend that like made you want to sell at that?
Because
at that
of the
spot?
type of market, because QQQ can dictate how that goes at that 1 hour trend. Because if QQQ does the same shit we've been doing every day and we continue to pull back, then I'm gonna get the rejection, even though Tesla's strong. Because Tesla, it doesn't have to happen today, it doesn't have to happen yesterday, it doesn't have to happen tomorrow. It can just happen on Friday once the market just gets their shit together, you know?
Yeah.
So that 1 hour trend, it has more meaning than a 5 minute trend, 15. That's a bigger time frame trend there. Even though it's not a 4 hour 1 year, you know, but it still means a lot.
Yeah. The weight of the trend. I got you.
Yeah.
Gotcha.
So yesterday and today, I'm up 70 grand. And then Monday, I made 2 grand. So we're at like 72,000 for the week. Good way to start October.
Great way to start October.
Can I get a Chanel back too?
Today, I'm actually going to buy a Birkin today.
So I want a Birkin, bro.
Hey yo, see if you can. Are you really?
Yeah. Oh yeah.
I want one from my mom's.
I bet. Even if I can only get one, you can have it.
Huh?
Even if I can only get one for retail, you can have it.
I bet.
They're worth they're like 10 racks, but they're worth like 30 aftermarket, like resale value.
Let me
Nah, but your mom owes though.
Another rack.
That means I get to sleep over for the rest of the year.
over here. Got the house over here, cuz the pool.
Last-
I got everything. Come on.
Last time George made me sleep in the garage when I visited him.
That's crazy.
George, you met my mom?
Huh?
You met my mom?
Nah, just your pops.
Oh yeah, you met my pops. Yeah.
Who's enjoying a cigar?
Oh yeah.
That was a nice cigar there, bro.
Yeah.
Was it the blonde?
I don't remember. I haven't smoked one since then, I think. Ah, feels good. Be done. How does it feel, guys? Feels good to be done.
You wanna do a Q&A with the herbs?
Yeah, let's do 5 minutes of Q&A with the herbs, and then we'll call it a day here.
Hop on FIFA for a bit.
Yeah. Y'all been waiting for this fucking wire to hit? Hold up.
Q3 deliveries. Not a chance. Not a chance.
How is that possible, bro?
Man, catch up.
And catch up, bud. Bye.
I see Nvidia, bro. I think I'm done. I'm not touching that shit. Trying to start off the month right.
Yo, I'm not talking to Discord. Yo, YouTube, Twitch, wherever you're watching the stream, the Discord is free today. That's the only time I promote it. You can pull up here, click the link in the bio somewhere, and just join up. I'm gonna end the stream, and then I will still be in Discord.
Hopefully none of y'all took coin at 350.
Why?
I've
What
been
happened?
saying. I've been saying.
Hey, whoever.
Yeah, Frankie, you really can send me that $60?
like me?
How she like you, huh? How do you know?
I know. The eyes, Chico. They never lie.